Hello and welcome to the Mobilant channel. Mavic, a well-known high-end wheel manufacturer, is a brand that any cycling enthusiast would recognize. From this specialized bicycle company, Mavic has announced a remarkably new type of motor. I took the electric road bike out for a ride on the weekend, and thanks to its high power and headwind, I didn't have to rush back home. It's a friendly supporter that allows for enjoyable rides for a long time. Looking at the structure, it seems to be designed for road bikes with a concept of being ultra-lightweight, and the development goal was to have almost no motor noise. Let's take a look at the basic components of the bike. HMI monitor on the top tube, battery on the down tube, speed sensor on the chainstay side. It's designed simply like this, with a charging port and motor unit. The weight of the 36-volt 10 ampere 360 watt-hour battery pack is 1.8 kilograms. It comes with a 180 watt-hour auxiliary battery pack, and it can be used with a dedicated bottom bracket frame in a closed form. It has a bolt-on design with a diameter of 88 millimeters. One notable feature is that you can use standard crank arms available in the market, such as Shimano's Dura-Ace. It supports the standard Q factor of 146 millimeters for road bikes. This ensures a seamless riding experience. Armless coupling to the crank arm. Next to the bottom bracket, you can see something resembling a hook, which transfers power to the motor through the crank arm. The weight of this amazing motor, made in France, is only 1.2 kilograms. BB bearing cadence sensor, controller board, custom brushless motor, patented cycloidal reducer, frictionless clutch mechanism. It has components that simultaneously perform as a power meter and torque sensor. The crankset connect arm is configured with very few mechanical parts. The patented cycloidal reducer operates in a structure very similar to the latest harmonic motor, which has almost no reduction gears. Currently, the harmonic motor has completed development and succeeded in practical application in high-end electric bicycles. We believe that the patented cycloidal reducer motor being developed by Mavic will play an active role as a rival. The patented frictionless clutch mechanism provides motor assistance in areas where acceleration is needed. Once you exceed 25 kilometers per hour, the ratchet drops, smoothly discontinuing motor support. The button installed on the top tube allows for adjustment of motor assist power output. Based on the built-in cadence and torque sensors in the motor, you can easily receive riding or training data from the bicycle. It has a rated output of 250 watts and supports up to 390 watts output, providing support from 37 Newton meters to 50 Newton meters. In terms of quality testing, it has completed over 1,000 hours of lab testing, and it's completed a grueling 120,000 kilometers of endurance testing. Since it's a product under test development, there may be issues with pedal assist power cutoff delays, but this motor can be seen as a new model that demonstrates the limits of lightweight motors like the TQ harmonic motor, and it has also received popular test reviews from well-known YouTubers. If it's released with further improvements and enhancements, I believe it will become a very special electric bicycle motor. For more detailed information, please check the video description. Thank you for watching. We also hope you take a keen interest in the Master Book series for electric bicycle maintenance. Thank you for watching. Subscribing and hitting the like button greatly helps in producing more videos. This has been Dr. Road from Mobilant.